Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you're gonna be watching me set up a balloon arch. I have a couple of balloons behind me ready to go, but I have a lot more that I need to blow up and I have about an hour to do it. So luckily, I have a little balloon blower-upper guy here. So I'm gonna get started on that and then show you how I set up the arch. It's just one of those wire kind of do-it-yourself arches that I got on Amazon, and I'm gonna be setting all the balloons on it very shortly. This is for my mom's 56th birthday. It is belated because they were out of town, but we are gonna go and celebrate her today at a fun restaurant that we've never been to, but supposedly it's really good, called Hen House, here in the Memphis area. So I'm gonna decorate to surprise her because they're gonna come here, we're gonna hang out just for a little bit, then all go to dinner together. But I wanted to make her feel special by putting up a 56th balloon arch for her. So yeah, I'm gonna get started because I don't have a whole lot of time. Oh, and I lightened my hair yesterday. I really like it. So here I have her gifts and balloons all laid out, ready to go. 56. I'll probably blow these up just with my mouth, but I have these balloons that I bought from Hobby Lobby. In here, I just grabbed an assortment of balloons that I already had. There's some pink, there's some white, a couple different colors of pink. These are just from random, like, you know, packs of balloons that I've gotten over the years that are left over. So hopefully I'll have enough to fill with this and this to create a nice looking arch, and then these hanging in the center, and a glittery happy birthday banner. I think my mom will really like that. And then from my dad, there's some Patron, which is my mom's favorite, this Elemis cleansing balm, which is my favorite, and I know my mom will love. And then a couple things in here from Lululemon. So those 3 things will be, or I guess 4 things will be from my dad. I love these new bags from Lululemon, by the way. And then what I got her is, this is like a BrewMate knockoff, so it'll fit White Claws or seltzers, things like that. My mom does enjoy seltzers, so I thought she could definitely use a really nice koozie, dark chocolate espresso beans. I got her this mama bracelet. This is from Hobby Lobby. It's cute and just kind of simple. And then I got her, no baby, I got Weston here reaching for the tequila. This really cute sweatshirt. I was tempted to keep it for myself, but this is from TJ Maxx and just has a really pretty, like, open back. But my mom loves stuff like this, like loungewear. And then I got her this sign from Hobby Lobby. So we'll see if Weston lets me wrap this stuff. I'm gonna do that and then work on the balloons. All right, big helper. All right, so I have some balloons here from Hobby Lobby that are just white polka dots. And then I'm just gonna kind of do a medley of balloons with ones that I purchased and then ones that I already had. So I have some mixed, like, pink ones just from other packs of balloons that I happen to have, and some white. So this thing is gonna change my life because all the balloon arches I've done in the past, I just blow them up myself, like with my own breath. So I feel like this is gonna go much faster and much easier. All right, I'm gonna get started. Alright guys, so my balloons are all blown up and I'm gonna set up this arch now, just across my kitchen island here. So I'll show you how to do that. This one is from Amazon. It has clasps on either side, and this kind of goes together like tent pegs, and you can kind of mold the arch just according to the size of your island or table. So I'm gonna set that up. Okay, so for now, I just have this end resting open right here because that's where I'm gonna slide the balloons off. So balloons on, so I might need to grab my little ladder, but this is pretty easy. You just screw it here, tighten it, and then I start loading the balloons on with these little gadgets. So I'll show you how to do that in a sec. And this all came with, the kit came with these. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you how these little clips work. They make it super easy to make a cluster of balloons for your balloon arch. So every little tab that's sticking up, you can stick a balloon in. So this has 1, 2, 3, 5. I do about 4 or 5, so I have 4 balloons in my hand, just mixed colors. And I'm gonna slide it. I'll show you with one. Just slide it on like that, just in front of the knot, and do that the whole way around. I'll just kind of alternate the colors like I said. Just slide it in like that. They stay in place pretty well. Okay, you guys, so obviously I'm a little pressed for time, so I'm just gonna start with balloons on both ends, and I'm gonna blow up a 5 and a 6, hang those in the middle with a happy birthday sign, and see how much space that fills in, and then depending on how much time I have, I will add in more balloons. The beauty is I can lift up either side and just slide like more of those discs on there. So I'm gonna do this and then kind of see where we're at. All right guys, so I tried to wrap up this balloon arch as quickly as I can. So this is what we came out with. There's the boys in the back. Hi baby. Yeah, hi little red cheeky guy. So I think it turned out okay for pulling this together in like 30 minutes-ish. It's all right. I'm glad that I held off with blowing up more because this happy birthday sign really filled it in. I mean, it looks so ratchet from the back. It's just like so much tape is happening and there's sparkles. Sparkles everywhere. What do you think of the balloons, buddy? But yeah, here it is. Cute, right? Not bad for a 35-minute balloon arch. And my mom's gifts. They're gonna come a little early before we go to an early dinner. So I thought when my mom gets here, we can just have a glass of champagne before we go. Her favorite's coconut. So I got this like fresh coconut pie from this barbecue place actually called Commissary. And I already had these things, sparkles, but yeah.
Wow.
Here we go for Gigi. Gigi turning 56. Or she did a week ago, but we're just celebrating now. Right? That's where we're going for your birthday lunch dinner, Mama. Oh, a mask. Yeah, I forgot.
Getting better over time. Wow. Say, Mama, where's my water?
Oh, let's get your Wawa. Mmm.
Nice and smoky.
It's good.
It was crazy. One time on a wine tasting, maybe it was you all. We went wine tasting,
So
and
we're
like,
gonna
they
get
had the wine from when there was the fires in Carmel.
Brie and berry,
Remember how all that wine
Brussels, panzanella. Yeah.
Is that with you guys? Take a picture of this over here.
Bubby's little stack of fries. The gnocchis, we have to give it a bite. Yum. Mmm. Mmm.
Yes.
Cheese toast.
Cheese toast.
Yeah, and then you.
I didn't like the salad too much.
You like your salad? But what did you like?
The apple cake, or what's it called? The apple
Donut?
donut.
Yeah. Yeah. They brought us a fresh apple donut for my mom's birthday, and we all had a bite. It was massive. We didn't even finish it between the 6 of us. Right?
Yep.
It was so good.
The fries were good.
Stuffed.
Truffle
And-
fries were amazing.
Mm-hmm.
And the bread was good.
Bread was good. Yeah. Yeah, I loved it.
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts.
Yeah.
So good.
You would go back, Megan? That's a redo?
I mean, for me, you and Dad were like, oh, it's a chick place.
Well, it was.
Now we're headed back to our house. We
Yeah, that's
are
more.
gonna do
It's
cake
really like the
and
owner's son.
gifts
I
and
bet it's like the
sing,
owner's son.
have some more drinks.
Because I think when we left, I bet that lady was the owner. The one
I
at the
got one
desk, the
coconut
older
pie.
lady.
Try it.
Did you see her? We were walking out the
Not
door.
really a
She
coconut.
was
I
at the
know.
reception
Try
desk
one
as we
bite.
came in.
I have
The
ice
older
cream
lady, I'm
too.
like, I bet
You
she's
want
the
ice
owner. Well, okay.
Get
Yeah.
me out of here.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, there goes the- I'll go.
Go, I gotta go, gotta go, go, go.
Go, 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 go.
Gotta go, go, go. Boom.
Where you gotta go?
Where you going? You going home?
It was way.
Going home? Have your bath?
didn't see how that.
Yeah.
Get your bath in your bottle?
Whoa.
Get your bath? Bath.
I've got a film from the other side because I got the back end of this.
It ends here. Just walk around.
Let me turn the lights down.
I did turn the lights. Which way? Where do you want me to sit?
Whoa, whoa, off. That's not down.
Just, okay, sit down.
This one here.
Okay. Larry, don't set anything on fire.
Go this way.
No.
Nate, are you going to help us sing?
Nate, come here.
2, 3.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday, dear Johanna. Happy birthday to you. We love you.
Big wish.
All right.
Thanks. You didn't do the fake candles?
Happy birthday.
Nate, give your mom a big kiss. Uh-huh.
That is Costco. What in the world?
Your Oh, no. A travel size. One for the plane, one for your house.
So we're in Florida and she pulls
Stop.
Flask?
no
Flask out of the purse and you laugh at it, still drinking the whole drive.
What are you starting to drink now? A White Claw.
Well, yeah.
Her
Oh, nice. Ooh.
right?
Okay, isn't that cute?
Now that's cute.
Perfect.
I know, isn't that
Because it covers
cute?
my little arms right there, chicken arms.
Stop, you don't
I
have
like
chicken.
it.
Put your momo over the top if you
Right.
Oh my gosh. Dad, what was this fabric made out of?
Do you think
It's,
that's
it's butterfly wings.
Butter-
Oh, yeah, that's why it was like $300.
Soft.
Okay, nice.
Soft and it floats.
Basically.
Right?
Alright guys, my parents just left to go home. We had a great night with my mom. Super fun just being able to be together and celebrate and have lots of good food and cake and drinks, and she loved all of her gifts, so it was just great being together as a family. I am officially exhausted, so I'm gonna wrap up this video and get ready for bed, wash my face, shower, get in bed, and then I will share in the next day or so the takedown of the balloon arch, because I know that's something that has been requested. So I'll share that, even though it's not like a full arch. When I get to taking it down, I will film that as well. All right guys, so it's a couple days later since I've set up the balloon arch. I know there's a huge glare from my blue light glasses, but I need these on right now. Mom has huge bags under her eyes and I need to help cover that up a little bit. So I am gonna set up the camera, show you guys how I take down the arch. If you see the balloons moving, that's Weston. Guess he decided he's not scared of balloons anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I silently take the balloons down. I just learned this trick like a couple years ago, but maybe everyone knows it and I was just the last to know. But you don't have to jab the balloon to pop it and take your arch down. You just have to make a tiny hole where the knot is tied and let the air like slowly seep out. And that's way better than just popping all of that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I take this guy down. Oh, and my mom loved it, by the way. It was so fun. A balloon arch just makes everything 10 times more festive, you know? All right, you guys, I finally got that balloon arch down. You've seen me in like 5 different outfits in this video because it took me like 3 days to get the balloon arch down. It should have taken 10 minutes, but my little guy was just like terrified of the balloons and wasn't really letting me get anything done. So anyways, if you stuck with us through the end, thank you. It's a very, very choppy video. And now my little guy's napping, so I'm in my laundry room. You can probably hear my washing machine humming behind me. So I'm in here, close the door. You know, I'm a stay-at-home mom. This is how it goes. You have to like sneak around and get stuff done. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Leave comments down below, more videos that you want to see. And that's it. I don't know. I have mom brain. I was gonna say something and poof.